This bottle's just got soapy water in it. It's like Palmolive, super special. And we just spray the segment with a little bit of that, because that way when they all come together, they're not dripping. So like rubber, if I do this, rubber doesn't want to slide on rubber. Whereas if I put some soapy water on it, all of a sudden it's got no problem, right? So we just use that soapy water when we're assembling to help everything kind of come together properly. And then when we're done and it dries up, it doesn't leave any residual, so it's fine.